Google Chrome can be found and downloaded on most devices on the market right now, no matter what operating system they run. So in this video, let's go over exactly how to do it on pretty much any type of device. Starting off with, of course, desktops or laptops running Windows. Now, while the app itself isn't available within the Windows App Store, you are going to have to instead go onto the Google Chrome download website and download the executable from there. The installation wizard will then guide you through the entire process, so you really don't have to do much beyond that. Now, if you're trying to download it on Android instead, odds are it is probably already installed, given Google's integral role with the Android project. If it isn't, well, it's as simple as going to the Google Play Store and then downloading Google Chrome from there. And that works on pretty much any device running Android, being your phone, your tablet, or of course also Chromebooks as well, which are, as the name implies, based around this Chrome technology. However, if you're on the Apple side of things, well, once again, it is available just from the Apple App Store on your iPhone, iPad, and on your Mac as well. So again, it should be no issue to get Google Chrome up and running on any of those devices. There is actually one type of device where you can't get Google Chrome, that being a Raspberry Pi. So you may want to get one of the various Chromium-based browsers instead, basically internet browsers that are built on the same underlying Chromium technology but have a different skin on top of it. There are plenty of them out there, so you probably find one that suits you. So that is pretty much how you can install Google Chrome across all of your devices, and it doesn't require a Google account to run either. So if you don't want to make one for whatever reason, then don't worry, that doesn't prevent you from downloading, installing, and then using the browser. Of course, there's plenty of additional features that are enabled to you if you do sign in with your Google account. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.